When a learner logs in, they are presented with their modules. These are both the mandatory modules that they have been allocated, as well as the ones they have chosen to study. Each module displays their content in a linear fashion. Learners must work through the material from top to bottom. Content can be interactive presentations, documents, videos, quizzes, and hyperlinks, all of which record a learner's progress. Barriers prevent skipping ahead. Assembling a module is as easy as dragging a widget onto a page. Each widget has completion options, and when a learner completes a module, they can be awarded a certificate.